coffee maker stopped working. Remember last time it stopped working? I had a different brand. And I got this Cuisinart, which I liked a lot, and I had it for about 1.5 years. I was going to try to fix it, but I think I'm going to fix it like I fixed my last one. Let me show you how I'm going to fix this. I like this a lot. But it started frying and popping and gurgling, and the light went off. Light won't come back on. I smell a strong electrical burn too. Alright, I'll show you. You remember how I fixed these? I think like this. You gotta do it outside though. Cuisinart, 14 cup, not working repair. Oh, there we go. That's how you fix it. You'll fix. You'll fix. Oh no. Wait, that's upside down. Oh no. Alright, I gotta get another one. I can't live without my coffee maker, only because I work crazy. And I like to wake up to coffee ready. So I get a good one, right? Pizza socks. So here's my new coffee maker, Mr. Coffee. Remember Mr. Coffee? Since 1970. That's cool. Retro. Let's open it up, get it ready, so I can have coffee in the morning. Open it up. I like that Cuisinart. I like that it was 14 cup. And that Cuisinart cost $100, and this cost $21. What do you think of that? And it's red. Something different to look at. $21. It's programmable to 12 cup. Ooh, look at that book. Oh, it's different languages. I don't need no language to tell me how to turn on a coffee maker. Multilingual. Mash, right? Oh boy. That's the top. No, look at this.
I thought you said it was red.
What a maroon.
Oh, how cute.
This feels small compared to my 14 cupper. Oh, I remember I had something similar to this. Oh, you move that every time? You can, oh wait, if you put that back, that closes it, see? See that? A little ramp there closes that. Because if it was back there, it'd just keep circulating itself. Alright, I'm gonna run some water through here to get the factory dust out of it. I'm gonna have some coffee. Okay, plug it in, set the time. Look at the wires tucked away real nice. See that? Tuck! That's good. To put back any excess and clip it there. Come on over! Setting the time. This is hour and minute, but it just goes minutes. Minutes. Yeah, so you just gotta go way around to your time, I guess. And they didn't include any filters. They usually give you like one or one of those reusable ones. But they didn't. So here it's... Alright, it's going... Oh, it's going fast now. Hours are going fast. When you hold it down, they go fast. Oops. Back to minutes. Or you can stop it. Alright. Now I want to set the delay links, and then you set the time for the delay the same way you did as setting the time. Pretty easy. Time's going. I know you can't see it. This was not lit like the last display. Well, there goes the hours. After it goes an hour of minutes, the hours go up. You know what I mean? Alright, I'm going to set that now. Then when you want to set it, say you filled it up, you want to set it for delay. I set my time. That's brew now, green. Press the second time as delay. It will go on and wake you up, or it'll be ready when you're awake. Alright, I'm going to run some water through here. Clean it out a little bit. Alright, this one beeps. Well, the other one beeped too. We were able to turn the beep off on the other one. I don't think you can on this one. Anyway, I washed it out, ran some water through there, cleaned it all out. It worked pretty quick. Now I'm going to make some coffee. What do you think of that? Let's make a full pot the first time. 12 cups. Open it up, move that arm over. Oh no. To remove the basket, you move the arm over. Filled up. It's still hot. Ah. 12 cups. Now we move the arm. Fill up your basket out or in. Why are you doing it in? Put a filter in there, that kind. And I'd go 1 scoop for 2 cups. That's how I do it. And this is half cap because I don't need too much caffeine, you know. I'd cut down. Ooh, now I forget how much to put in there too. I hope. Here we go. Close it up. Push the button. Green. It works pretty quick. Watch. Gurgle, gurgle.
Gurgle, gurgle, gurgle.
That's nice looking for a change. See how quick it starts? Wonder how long this one will last. Okay, as reading the instructions, I found out I can turn off the sound, the beep, because I don't want to hear the beep. Sometimes it wakes somebody up, or sometimes it wakes somebody up. And I don't want nobody to know I'm out here. So you press set delay for 5 seconds, and when it beeps, it tells you that beep is turned off now. And you can turn it back on by pressing it again for 5 seconds. And that tells you it's going to beep. It also has a strong brew button here. Give you a stronger brew somehow, bro. But it's not bad for $21 or something like that, huh? Okay, the other one, the Cuisinart, was 1 year and 8 months old before it failed. It should have lasted 5 years, you think? I don't know. How long these things last? Alright, gonna have a cup. Gurgle. And if you can't wait till it's completely done, and you need a cup, it has that pause brewing function where you can pour yourself a cup and it won't dribble out. See? Enjoy. First taste. That's coffee. TCB. Alright. I think I left the beep on this time. There, see? Alright. First pot done brewing. I'm going to turn the beep back off. Don't ever have to hear it again. I'm glad I read them instructions. Okay, I hope I helped somebody out there fix your coffee maker, or at least find another one and make another cup of coffee. Alright, that's pretty nice, huh? You'll see it for a while back here. Talk to you soon. Please subscribe. Have a nice day.